Today we're diving deep into the ancient and profound belief system of animism, which holds at its core the idea that everything has a soul. Imagine a world where every rock, river, tree, and creature is imbued with life and spirit. This isn't just a fantasy or a whimsical notion. For many cultures throughout history, it's a deeply held truth. Animism is one of the oldest forms of spiritual belief, predating organized religions. It's a worldview that sees the world as alive and interconnected. Let's embark on a journey to understand this ensouled universe. The term animism comes from the Latin word anima, which means soul or breath. It's a belief that everything, both animate and inanimate, possesses a spirit or soul. This isn't limited to just animals and humans, it extends to plants, mountains, rivers, and even man-made objects. For animists, the world is a vibrant tapestry of living energies and personalities. This perspective shifts the way we interact with our environment, fostering a deep sense of respect and reverence. It's not just about seeing the world as alive, but feeling and engaging with its aliveness. Historically, animistic beliefs can be found in indigenous cultures across the globe, from the Native Americans to the tribes of Africa, from the shamans of Siberia to the Aboriginal peoples of Australia. These cultures, though separated by vast distances and diverse environments, share a common understanding that the world is alive and sentient. They recognize that the wind, the rain, the mountains, and the forests all have their own consciousness. This shared belief underscores the universality of the animistic perspective, suggesting a deep-rooted human intuition about the nature of existence. But why would ancient cultures develop such a belief? At its heart, animism is a way of understanding and relating to the world. In a time without the scientific tools we have today, our ancestors sought explanations for natural phenomena. When the thunder roared, it wasn't just a sound, it was the voice of a spirit. When the river's currents were strong, it was the river's spirit expressing its mood. Animism provided a framework to understand the mysteries of the world, attributing soul and intention to the forces of nature. This ensouled perspective also fostered a deep sense of community and interconnectedness. If everything has a soul, then everything is worthy of respect and consideration. Hunting wasn't just an act of taking, it was a sacred exchange between the hunter and the hunted. Trees weren't merely resources, they were living beings offering their gifts. This mindset cultivated a harmonious relationship between humans and nature, ensuring sustainability and balance. Animism also plays a crucial role in rituals and ceremonies. By acknowledging the spirits of the land, water, and sky, animists seek to maintain harmony in their own environment. Rituals are a way to communicate with these spirits, to give thanks, ask for blessings, or seek guidance. They're a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds, a means to engage with the ensouled universe in a tangible way. But what about inanimate objects? How can they have souls? For animists, the distinction between animate and inanimate isn't as rigid as we might think. A rock, for instance, might be seen as holding the memories of the earth, a witness to the passage of time. A handmade tool carries the energy and intention of its maker. By recognizing the spirit in these objects, animists cultivate a deeper appreciation and mindfulness in their interactions. Modern science, with its focus on empirical evidence, might initially seem at odds with animistic beliefs. However, concepts in quantum physics, like the interconnectedness of particles and the idea that observation affects reality, resonate with animistic perspectives. While science and animism approach understanding from different angles, they both hint at a universe more intricate and interconnected than we might imagine. Today, as we face environmental crises and a growing disconnection from nature, the principles of animism offer a timely reminder. By seeing the world as ensouled, we're encouraged to tread lightly, to recognize our place within the web of life, and to act with reverence and responsibility. Animism invites us to listen to the whispers of the earth, to understand that we're not separate from nature, but a part of it. In contemporary times, many are rediscovering the wisdom of animistic beliefs. Mindfulness practices, eco-spirituality, and a renewed interest in indigenous wisdom all echo the core tenets of animism. They remind us that the world is alive, magical, and deserving of our respect. So the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to truly connect. Feel the pulse of the earth beneath your feet. Listen to the stories the wind carries, and honor the spirit in all things. By embracing an animistic perspective, even if just in small moments, we can cultivate a deeper relationship with the world around us. Animism offers us a rich and profound way of seeing the world. It reminds us that everything is interconnected, that everything has a soul. In a world that often feels fragmented, the Ensouled universe of animism offers a vision of unity, magic, and wonder. Thanks for joining us on this journey. As always, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Animism Awakened. May you walk in harmony with the Ensouled world around you.